Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 8, that is safety first. We had already discussed this chapter, so this is a revision lectures from this chapter, about these chapters. In the previous day or yesterday, we had discussed about two topics from this chapter, that is false and fire. So now today we are going to discuss more two topics, that is electric shock and poisoning type of accidents caused at home. So how can we save or how can we prevent these accidents? So to prevent these accidents, first of all we have to understand how these accidents will occur. So let's discuss about electric shock. So this accident will occur because of faulty or inadequate wiring. In our daily life, we use several types of electric appliances for several type of purposes and several type of works. Now, we have to understand that we have to take care of these wirings and we have to take care of these appliances, as well as we have to be very alert when we are working with them, like iron, toasters, mixtures, grinders, juicers, and several type of things. Washing machine is there, freeze is there. So we have to be very careful when we are working with these type of appliances. So what are the precautions we have to take whenever we are using these things? So first of all, never touch any electric fittings or appliances with wet hands. Whenever you are touching any electric appliances or anything which is related to electricity, you should use a proper towel to clean your hands, means your hands should be not wet. Number 2, the switches should be turned off after using these electric things. Means whenever you are using or you start using this, observe the switches, it is in what position. If it is switched on, be very careful. So it should be switched off before working, and also after working you have to switch it off. The next is, in case of you will get an electric shock or notice a spark, turn the main switch immediately. There is a main switch at a place which is close to the meter. So if you turn it off, all the connection is cut from the main wire. The connection is cut. In your home there will be no supply of electricity. But nowadays there are MCBs. They are very sensitive. They will switch it off by automatically. Next, never put switches on while you are standing on a wet floor. So just remember, class, water or moisture is very harmful when you are working with electricity. So be careful. Now comes the next point, that is poisoning. So poisoning also very common thing in our household areas. Sometimes it is very harmful, sometimes it is not that much harmful to kill someone, but yes, it will make you sick and you will feel very bad, and sometimes loss of life. So we have to be very careful when we are using several types of chemicals or things at home. So what type of precautions we need to take? First of all, any chemicals like detergents, soaps, phenyls, ammonia, dyes. So any type of these chemicals like detergents, soaps, phenyls, acids, whatever these solutions are there, we should keep them at proper place so that the little children will not able to touch them. The next thing is, any type of medicine we have to write down their expiry dates. So after expiry date we should not use these medicines. and also we should keep these medicines away from the children so that they will not get these medicines and they will not get hurt from these medicines. Now comes the next point, that do not take medicines on your own, always take the advice of doctors. Next comes the any type of stale food, spoiled food, or exposed food you should not eat, because these things contain germs and which will hurt you. So class, I hope you are able to understand this lecture well. This is a revision lecture. We had already discussed these topics well. So have a great day. Be safe at home, and if any problem, ask me class. I will help you. Have a great day. Thank you.